You know, I just had so many shits I just did. And my fucking phone fell over. You know? So we're gonna do it one more time. Let's hope she doesn't fall this time. If it falls, I'm gonna be pissed. You know, just got yelled at, but you gotta do it for YouTube. Do it for the channel. I'm already getting haters. But yeah, she's a fucking beast. I'm gonna get out of here before cops come, but yeah. Make sure to like. I look like shit right now. I haven't showered. Had 3 finals this morning. College sucks. Got a fucking shattered hand. Gotta have surgery this week. But yeah, still out here making videos for you guys. So make sure to show the love, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to trigger notifications, because new videos, once I'm off of school, I'll have plenty of time to make videos. And once it gets nicer out, I'll be beating on the truck a little bit more. But it's kind of hard when it's cold out. It's a lot easier to break shit, you know. But yeah, thanks for watching.